Longing for growing in devotion and love for the Blessed Mother Mary requires an examination of conscience. One of the seminarians who used to come for spiritual direction shared painfully how hard it was for him to pray the Rosary. It was more painful for him as the religious order he belonged had a special devotion to the Blessed Mother. He said that he would either feel sleepy or easily get distracted and not able to finish even one decade of the Rosary. Yet he longed with a growing love and filial relationship for the Blessed Mother Mary. After spending some time with him, I realized that he had issues with his own mother, whom he could not forgive. He was badly hurt in childhood, and growing up, he could not trust his mother. When he gradually realized what was hindering him in his longing to grow in filial relationship with the Blessed Mother Mary, he decided to let go and forgive his own earthly mother. Certainly, it was not easy, yet he succeeded, taking time and effort and thus experiencing healing in his relationship with the Blessed Mother, with his own mother, and which eventually led him to an experience of filial love with the Blessed Mother. Dear friends, perhaps some of us experience similar struggles in our relationship with the Blessed Mother Mary. Longing for growing in devotion and love for the Blessed Mother Mary requires an examination of conscience. Praying Rosary and novenas can merely be a ritual or an obligation that I fulfill, or it can be such a loving means of experiencing the filial love and affection of a loving mother. Today, can we take some time to ask these deeper questions? Is praying Rosary a mere ritual or fulfillment of an obligation? Do I hold hurts and painful memories of the past in relation with my earthly mother that hinders my filial relationship with the Blessed Mother? If so, Mother Mary is inviting you, as she did at the first miracle of Jesus at Cana, to do as He tells you, that is, to let go and forgive, whether it is your grandmother or mother. Let our daily gestures of love for the Blessed Mother Mary be moments of true filial experience of warmth and affection. Let the ordinary routine water turn into wine bubbling with joy in our life. Amen.